Hi, I'm Dr. Dahl. Welcome to Beyond Braces. From the moment you walk in, we want you to feel at home. Our clinic was designed with over 20 years of experience in orthodontics, carefully planned to be a place where families feel comfortable, safe, and supported. Think about where everyone gathers in a home, the kitchen. That's how we designed our space, warm, inviting, and made for connection. Our reception area is where your first visit starts, and we want it to be the best part of your day. Enjoy fresh baked cookies, complimentary beverages, and a place where you can truly relax. We've also thought of the little things, because details matter. Our washrooms are stocked with combs, brushes, floss, and other essentials, so you can freshen up before or after your appointment. Now let's step into our treatment suites. Privacy and comfort are our priorities, which is why we've designed fully enclosed treatment rooms. Here you'll find cozy blankets, large screens, and a relaxed atmosphere to help ease dental apprehension. When it comes to diagnostics, precision is everything. Our imaging and photography room is equipped with professional lighting and advanced visualization tools. So much more than just a mouth mirror we once had to rely on. We take detailed images using standardized lighting and professional grade photography to ensure your treatment is tailored perfectly for you. We believe in educating our patients and their families every step of the way. Our private education rooms are designed to be a safe and relaxed space where families can be involved in the treatment process. With 3D imaging visualization tools, we work with you to develop a personalized, functional treatment plan. Orthodontics isn't just about straightening teeth. It's about functional oral health and a beautiful smile. That's why we work with myofunctional therapists to focus on muscle function, breathing, and overall wellness. We know that visits to the orthodontist are part of a busy schedule, especially for parents. That's why our entertainment area has been a huge hit, giving siblings a place to enjoy video games, movies, and more while they wait. At Beyond Braces, we're always striving to create an amazing experience. We want this to be the best break in your busy day, a place where families feel cared for. If you're wondering whether orthodontics is right for you or your child, book a free consultation at our South Surrey office today. We'd love to welcome you.